This little tile fell off of my wall and I'm going to fix it. First I'm going to put a thin layer of mortar over the wall, and then I'll use this tool to cut some lines through it. I'll show you how to do that. Then I'll wait 24 hours and I'll be able to put grout on it. It's very hard to do this with one hand, so I'll just show you a little bit. I'm just going to spread the mortar on. We'll turn this off in order to do that, and then I'll show you how to put the lines through. I have the mortar on, and you can see why I used the painter's tape. I didn't want to get any of it on my walls that I only painted last year, or maybe it was 2 years ago. So now all I have to do is run this tool across so I can get those nice lines, and then place my tile on it and let it sit for 24 hours. That mortar up there is on the tape mostly, so I'll be able to get that off, and then I'll put grout along here after it's dried tomorrow. Now it's time to fix this grout that I had to remove because a lot of it was cracked. So I've already dampened the tiles surrounding it. And I'm just gonna take my pre-mixed grout and start getting it inside of those cracks. And then I'm going to, after I get it spread around, I'm going to use my fingers to just kind of make sure I get a nice little groove that meets the other grout. My fingers are going to be pretty dirty, so I don't know that I'll be able to show you that. And then I'll just clean everything up with the damp sponge. I've gotten the grout inside everything, so I'm just going to, I'll use my left finger to just run through the groove and make sure I have that nice little curve that you always have in grout. When I'm done with that, I'm going to use my wet sponge, it's just wet with water, to clean up all of the excess grout from the floor. There you go, now I have some nice looking lines, and let's see if I can balance this a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my damp sponge and just clean up all the tile surrounding it, and in 24 hours it will have set, and in 24 hours it will have set, and I will have fixed floors.